welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. One thing, guys, about Thina Zungu, he respect and acknowledge his wife Zama ngokumanaye even before he was famous and had material things. A week ago, they celebrated their traditional wedding, and this is what the husband Thina Zungu said. From 2011 until now, indeed, you came before all the material things that I have now. I remember my first smartphone I had, 200 rand, 1,800 rand. I knew by then that you put me first more than anyone, because now you believed in me, you trusted me with your life. As Pile mahlabangani mfethu, till death do us apart. Ukuze kushade no Jumbo no Ayanda, angazi bengenaphi ko Jumbo no Ayanda. Kodwa nje guys, cha uzama kudala ebeja uThina Zungu. Ungacwasela umuntu no 200 rand ngo 1,800. I know basuka kude ngampela, and we wish them all the best, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.